This is a quick video on how to install the Last Kingdom Aeon Nox Mod skin. First thing you need to do is go along to the cog in the middle there, click on that, scroll down to Form Manager, click. Where it says Add Source, click that, None, click on there. I've already done it. This is what we need to type in, exactly as it is there, http://fladnag.heliohost.org. Once you've done that, give it a name. I call it Fladnag. Once that's done like that, just click OK. Go back out twice. Click on Add-ons. The top left box there, click on that. Install from zip. If it's the first time you install something on a fresh coding, settings, make sure unknown sources is checked, yes. Click on install from zip again, go to Fladnag, click on the repo. Once you get a notification the repo is installed, if you had it beforehand, just go into Store from Repo, Fladnag Repo, Look and Feel, Skin, and there's the Aeon Nox Last Kingdom Mod. Install. Then it'll start downloading everything it needs. Choose Yes. Complicate. And all it is move to the central default position. Change that to low, just like you do in Aeon Nox. Skin settings. Set up the next window. Aeon Nox main menu. You can see here vertical is default. Just put it low. Come back out, and there it is. You know exactly where you want it. Thanks for watching. Bye.